Hey guys, let's get right into this week's video. This week, I'm going to show you how to make these beauties. These are my orange pepper honey wings. I was actually inspired to make these wings when I watched G Rich. Look him up. I'm going to post his information and tag him in this video. But look up G Rich because he made some lemon pepper honey wings. And I was inspired to make them with some orange pepper. So check this video out. And I'm not going to hold you. Let's get to this countdown. Okay, so let's get started. Here I have a bowl with some cleaned chicken wings. I also have some orange zest in this bowl. I had some mandarin oranges, so I just used my vegetable peeler and put some of the orange zest in here just to bring across that orange flavor. Now I'm going to start by using the star of the show. This is orange pepper, and this is from Badia. So you just want to really season with that generously to get that, the orange flavor, plus we want them nice and peppery as well. So once you have these coated very evenly, you want to start to add some other seasonings, and I'm going to be using some Sazón Tropical. This is really good. You know, Sazón is one of those flavor enhancers that really give that to your food. I'm also going to add some Dano's Original. This one, I believe, is called Yum Yum. Get you something like that. So you're going to add a little bit of that, and I'm going to add a little ground turmeric. Turmeric is I'm using it for the color, but I'm also using it because it gives some warm notes there. We're going to also add some parsley, so we can get some nice little specks across. And I'm going to add some onion powder. Now you already know you can add as much of this as you like. Me and onion powder, we love one another. And you're going to add a little paprika. And I'm going to end it with some Mrs. Dash Original. Now that one was actually a brand from Aldi's, but they taste the same, child. So use it. Now you're going to add some oranges. Now I use the juice of about 5 mandarin oranges or cuties, if you have that brand, but you just want to squeeze those cuties right into on top of your chicken, and look how orange they are. I mean, they were so good. We were munching on these things. We had to go back and get another bag because they were just so good, so great to snack on. But they also go good in this recipe. So get your orange juice in, and then you're going to add a little grapeseed oil, just enough for a little coat. I'm going to mix these up off camera, and when I come back, I'll have them laid out onto our tray. Okay, so here we are. Everything is all on our platter here. Well, not my platter, on my tray. I have my tray coated with some foil and parchment paper. They're going in the oven at 400 degrees, and voila. These took about 40 to 45 minutes to cook, and they have some crispiness from out the oven. No frying or anything. Just look at the caramelization, and when I tell you they are nice and crispy, they are nice and crispy. So now I'm going to make the sauce. So I have some honey into the small bowl here, and I'm going to add a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes. Just go according to your taste palette. This is just incorporating enough just to pour right over our wings. So add those red pepper flakes, and then you're going to add a little bit of parsley and a little more of that orange pepper. So once you get that in, and you're going to add some of the juice from one mandarin orange or one cutie. So get a nice juicy one and squeeze that all in, just like I'm doing here. I mean, this sauce would be a good dipping sauce too, I would think, just to kind of dip. But we're going to pull them all over these wings and give them a nice toss. Okay, so I'm almost finished getting this juice up. That was a juicy one. And don't worry if you get some orange pieces in there, it's all good. So we're going to mix it all up. And, you know, me again with the camera in one hand trying to stir with the other. But just stir it all up till you get it nice and combined. And then you're going to pour it all over as evenly as possible across your chicken wings. Just like I'm doing here. Everybody gets a little. And it doesn't matter because I'm going to toss them at the end anyway. So look at these. Oh, they're so good. So good. Look at the color. All from the oven, guys. All from the oven. No air fryer, just roasting them in the oven. But you could certainly use the air fryer. You could certainly even fry them, whatever you like, and just toss them in the sauce. But these came out delicious. So, look at that. Look at this. Look at the gloss on that from that honey and the orange juice. So, guys, you already know what time it is. I got my husband who's going to taste these orange pepper honey wings, and I'll be back. Oh, is it bad?
It's all right.
Wait, it's just all right, babe.
What y'all want to eat?
We're going to eat these wings. What you think, babe? Really?
They're really good, and you know that you said that you were going to make me these when we got married in our wedding vows.
I did not.
It was love, honor, and make good wings.
Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah.
Wow, how I missed that. All right, babe, but you like them? Can you taste the orange? Sir? Can you taste the orange?
Yes.
Well, I think we have a winner here, guys. Okay, honey, what they gonna do? What are they?
Like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend.
Tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell your aunties, your uncle, and them. And while you're at it, guys, tell them what I'm doing in this kitchen, y'all, and what Adrian thinks. Bye
Have
bye.
some more?
Babe, you got a whole bowl.
That's not enough.
Just say wings out, babe.
Wing out.
Oh, God.